Hey guys, it's Shurropa here, back with a brand new video, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a simulator. So, yep, this is going to be a brand new series, so first, I created this base plate, and then enter a script and call this server, and we can make a function that'll be setup player. Alright, this will be our leader stats. Now, if you haven't done any scripting before, I recommend you check out the Dev King, because he is a legend at scripting. So yeah, I would recommend you check him out. Now, make sure you're typing this exactly correct, because I hear comments on my videos saying it does not work, when in theory it should. It should definitely work. So, make sure should definitely type the correct code. Definitely type it correctly, or else it won't work because it is case sensitive. Alright, so now we'll create our coins. So have an int value and layer stats. Alright. You can set the value to 0. Because if something happens with the data store, it can set it by default to 0. Yeah, we can do game, and I'm gonna do the service. Make service players dot player added connect setup player. Alright, and now we should have our later stats working perfectly fine. See? Coins. Alright. So, now what we want to do is now, I think in this simulator, we're going to create let's create a basic simulator. We can make the basic, which is weightlifting simulator. So we're gonna create another currency. This will be strength. Alright. Alright. So now we have our strength. Alright. So now what we have to do is we have to set up the tool. So let's do that. So you can go in the toolbox and find a mesh. So okay, so I'm gonna search up. Okay, yep. So this looks fine. Alright. Good size this down. I'm gonna make this so it's gameplay false and anchor false as well. And I'm gonna name this to handle. And we can create a new tool. And we're name this weight. And put the handle inside. And I want to change this to surface gray. Let's see. Alright, yeah, so we got our weight, and it is not positioned correctly, and I got the toolbox, okay. So, yeah, it isn't positioned correctly, but we can fix that. So, there's 2 ways about fixing this. The first way is to go to the plugins and the tool grip editor, which is 25 Robux, I'm pretty sure. And the second way is to have part that, like, you can go right here where the player is holding, and you can rotate it and then that handle, and then you can weld that together, and then you can do that, which is for free. So this tutorial, I'm going to show you both ways. So basically, would add a tool grip and self-explanatory, but I'm gonna be teaching you the other way as well. So first we got part, all by one. Alright. Alright. Alright, and then you can add a image. So I'm just gonna grab this one, something. So yeah, front. So that's the front. So I need to rotate that. Alright. Remove the decal. Alright. Alright, yeah, so then we can make that transparent. And call this handle. And then we can weld it together by using this welding plugin. You can just search up welding in the toolbox and then it should pop up. So, wait. Mesh. So touch the interest. Handle. This. Yep, weld all. Alright. And then you can test it out. Alright, and it works. So that's how you do it for free, or you can do the tool grip editor, whatever you prefer. So now we have leader stats and we have a tool. So now let's code our weight so that whenever we click, it will work. So we can add a script, a local script, and we can call this weight handler. Local players. Equals game. Good service. Players. We can use script up parent activated. Local player is equal to players local. Alright. Now what I'm thinking. Alright, so we can create folder and storage, notes. We can do weight. Yeah, alright. Let's add a storage. Notes. Alright, and now we're gonna add our weight event. Alright. We're now going to have a debounce. Local debounce is equal to false. If debounce is equal to false, then debounce is equal to true. And then we get weight event fire server. And debounce, or no, we want to have a weight here. So usually you would do 0.1 and debounce is equal to false. Now why I do 0.1? Because some people have like weight 1 or weight 2 is actually fine, but like anything like 1 or 0.5 or 0.4 or something like that, I would do 0.2, which is still kind of slow, or 0.1. But you just can't have like just no debounce, because then people could like spam. I forgot to put this and then start a pack. All right, So now we need to get the remote. So we actually go back, copy that, and get this event. Alright. So wait event, onto event, connect. Now we could have a separate script for this and make it remote handler, but for now it's fine. Alright, we can do player leaderstats dot strength value +1. Now this is the basics of a simulator. So yeah, I'm cooking really fast, and it is still going up a lot, but it's not going like spamming like fast. Like if you use an auto clicker, and it'll go up by like this much, but it won't go up like a lot. Like you could try yourself and like deactivate the debounce, and yeah, it will go like really fast. So I think that'll be it for this video. Yeah. Yeah. In the next video, we can add, like a more customizable system with the weights. Because right now, all we have is just a default value of 1. So we can have a module script. Now tell us like where all the things are, like where all the weights and like the stats for that. We could add a data store, but for now all we added so far was the weight and the leaf stats. So yeah, next video we'll be doing data stores and I guess a more customizable way of the weights, I guess. Could do that. Maybe add the GUIs, stats. And yeah, that'll be it for today's video. So make sure you like and subscribe if you want to see more of videos like this.